Do you find yourself holding on to the handrail more often when climbing the stairs? Are simple everyday activities like carrying groceries or getting up from a chair becoming more challenging? You're not alone, but it doesn't have to be this way. As we age, we often become weaker and frailer, which can affect our independence and quality of life. It's no surprise that 1 in 3 adults over 65 falls each year. But here's the good news. You have the power to change this. It's time to rewrite your story and reclaim your strength. So stick around. In today's video, I will show you how to build muscle strength after 40. And we begin with an important question. Why do we start losing muscle strength after 40? Well, it's all about what's happening inside our bodies. Starting around the age of 30, we begin to lose muscle mass and strength gradually, and it accelerates after 40. By the age of 70, we can lose up to 30% of our muscle mass. This natural process is known as sarcopenia. Now, sarcopenia is caused by several factors, including hormonal changes, decreased physical activity, and an imbalance in protein metabolism. One of the primary causes is the drop in testosterone levels, which can lead to muscle loss and weakness. As men age, testosterone production declines by about 1% per year after the age of 30, and the amount of muscle protein synthesis decreases by 25% between the ages of 60 and 70. This means that the body becomes less efficient at repairing and building muscle tissue, leading to a vicious cycle of muscle loss and weakness. Another factor contributing to sarcopenia is the decline in growth hormone levels, which also occurs naturally with age. Growth hormone plays a crucial role in regulating body composition and metabolism. Decreased levels can lead to increased fat and decreased muscle mass. Moreover, our body's ability to absorb and utilize essential nutrients, such as vitamins and minerals, also declines with age. This can lead to deficiencies that further contribute to muscle loss and weakness. For example, a study found that older adults with low vitamin D levels had significantly lower muscle strength than those with sufficient vitamin D levels. In addition to these physiological changes, a sedentary lifestyle and reduced physical activity can also exacerbate sarcopenia. Muscle strength and balance can decline rapidly in as little as 6 months of inactivity. Many people tend to become less physically active as they age, which can lead to further muscle loss and weakness. It's like a downward spiral. The less muscle mass you have, the weaker you become, which makes it harder to stay active, which leads to more muscle loss and weakness. But the good news is that you can break the cycle. There are several things you can do to help maintain your muscle strength and prevent sarcopenia. One of the most important things you can do is to stay active. Regular physical activity can help maintain muscle mass and strength, improve balance and coordination, and reduce the risk of falls and fractures. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity aerobic activity per week, along with strength training exercises that target all major muscle groups 2 or more days per week. Another important thing you can do is to eat a balanced diet that provides enough protein to support muscle health. Protein is essential for maintaining muscle mass and strength, and it also helps maintain bone health and prevent osteoporosis. Older adults generally need more protein than younger adults, and the recommended daily intake for adults over 65 is 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight or 0.36 grams of protein per pound of body weight. Eating enough protein can also help maintain a healthy immune system, prevent muscle loss and weakness, and improve overall health and well-being. In addition to staying active and eating a balanced diet, you can also take steps to prevent falls and fractures, which are common causes of injury and disability in older adults. Falls can lead to fractures, which can cause pain, suffering, and increased healthcare costs. Fractures can also lead to decreased mobility and independence, which can negatively impact quality of life. To prevent falls, make sure your home is safe by removing tripping hazards, installing grab bars in the bathroom, and getting regular eye exams to ensure your vision is up to date. So remember, age is just a number. Don't let it define your strength or limit your potential. With the right mindset and consistent effort, you can maintain your muscle strength and continue to thrive as you age. You have the power to create the life you want. So take action today and build a stronger, healthier future for yourself. Now that we understand why sarcopenia happens, let's get into the best 45-minute workout for men over 40. The workout consists of 4 sections: warm-up, strength training, cardio, and cool down. Let's go over each section in detail. The first section is the warm-up, which should last about 5 minutes. The purpose of the warm-up is to raise your body temperature, increase blood flow to the muscles, and prepare your body for the workout ahead. You can start with a brisk walk for 2 minutes, then do some dynamic stretches for 3 minutes. Dynamic stretches involve moving your joints and muscles through their full range of motion, and they're different from static stretches where you hold a position for a period of time. Some examples of dynamic stretches include arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. The second section is the strength training portion of the workout, which should last about 25 minutes. Strength training is important for maintaining muscle mass and strength as you age. It can also help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. For this workout, I recommend doing 3 sets of 8 repetitions for each exercise, resting for about 30 seconds between sets. The exercises should target all major muscle groups, including the legs, chest, back, shoulders, biceps, triceps, and calves. Some examples of exercises include squats, push-ups, rows, overhead presses, bicep curls, tricep extensions, and calf raises. Make sure to use weights that are challenging, but still allow you to maintain good form throughout the repetitions. The third section is the cardio portion of the workout, which should last about 10 to 15 minutes. Cardio exercises are important for maintaining cardiovascular health and improving endurance. They can also help improve balance and coordination. For this workout, aim for a moderate intensity, meaning you should be able to talk but not sing while you're exercising. Some examples of cardio exercises include brisk walking, cycling, or rowing. If you're using a treadmill, aim for a speed of 3 to 4 miles per hour. If you're using an elliptical trainer, aim for a resistance level of 5 to 10. The final section of the workout is the cool down, which should last about 5 minutes. The purpose of the cool down is to gradually bring your body back to a state of rest and prevent muscle soreness. You can start with 2 to 3 minutes of walking at a slow pace, then do some static stretches for 3 minutes. Static stretches involve holding a position for a period of time, usually between 15 and 30 seconds. Some examples of static stretches include hamstring stretch, quadriceps stretch, and calf stretch. This 45-minute workout is designed for beginners over the age of 40. However, it's important to consult with your doctor before starting any new workout routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or haven't exercised regularly in the past. You can perform this workout at home or at the gym. If you don't have access to weights, you can use household items such as water bottles or canned goods. Remember that consistency is key when it comes to maintaining muscle strength and preventing sarcopenia. Aim to do this workout at least 3 times per week and gradually increase the intensity and duration over time as your fitness level improves. Maintaining muscle strength as you age is crucial for preserving independence, preventing falls and fractures, and improving overall quality of life. It also helps boost metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Building muscle strength doesn't have to be intimidating. You can start with small, achievable goals and gradually work your way up. By following the tips and workout routine outlined in this video, you can take the first step towards a stronger, healthier future. So get started today and reap the benefits of a more active and fulfilling lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment below and tell us which exercise was the hardest for you. Don't forget to share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more videos on how to live your healthiest life. See you next time.